Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel NK's Concept Giving Hours. The theme of my channel says that you need to give hours for getting the success in your life, in any field. Today's session I am continuing with the network theory topic, but this is not the session which I am going to discuss about the topics but some important questions for SSC JEE exams. These are very important questions for your upcoming SSC JEE exam, Staff Selection Commission Junior Engineer exams, which includes the branches of electrical, civil and mechanical. Without wasting any time, students, before moving further, I would like to tell you that please students, please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel. That will, for this I will get motivated and I'll put more videos like this. That is the important concept for SSC JEE exams. So starting further, my first question for you is that please memorize all these questions, because clearing the exams is more important than having depth knowledge of the subject. Okay students, you can have knowledge after few years, but once your age is over, then you can't do anything. So learn the tricks, learn the basic concepts, what is required for doing the particular problem. Please students, please subscribe my channel. So starting from the first question, which property of an electrical conductor, means property बताना है आपको electrical conductor which opposes the change in the current, जो oppose करता हो change in the current. As you are seeing students and dear friends, inductance is that electrical conductor which opposes the change in the current. और अगर क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछेगा कि विच इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टर और सब्सटेंस विच अपोजेज अ चेंज इन द वोल्टेज, फॉर वोल्टेज योर आंसर विल बी कैपेसिटर. फॉर वोल्टेज योर आंसर विल बी सी, कैपेसिटर. Okay students, now farad is the SI unit of capacitance. Farad is the SI, standard international unit of capacitance. Okay students, we write whatever we write, C is equal to suppose to F we write. F means farad here. And what is the SI unit of inductor? The SI unit of inductor is Henry and denoted by H. Okay dear friends and students, now question number 3. Student, these are the questions which have asked in JEE exams in the previous years. Please students, please learn the trick and questions which I am providing you, which are very important. These might questions comes in your exams in one of your shift. What will be the resistance in ohms of a lamp at rated इतना, means lamp का rating आपको दिया हुआ है 220 volt and power is given 200 watt. So V is given. देखो स्टूडेंट, these are the 1 mark, these are the concept which will definitely ask in the SSC JEE exams. We know that P is equal to VI. क्यों मैंने ये formula apply, why I am applying this formula? Because we know P is given, V is given. We will find out the value of P is equal to V into I. Okay student, but I is not given, that's why we won't apply this formula. We apply this formula which contains V and, okay student, when we put here like this, see, we are applying this formula and this formula is derived from this formula only. P is equal to I square R. By Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. By putting V by R in this formula, we will get the new formula, that is P is equal to V square by R. By manipulating R is equal to V square by P, that is V is 220 into 220 volt, we will get the resistance value 242 ohm. Please student, do not see this one, observe here only. You apply this formula. Why we are applying this formula? Because in the question it is asking resistance and the given rated value is V voltage and P. That's why कौन सा ऐसा formula है जिसमें resistance निकल जाए और दिया हुआ है P और V. This is the formula from which we are going to get the value of resistance R. ओके डियर फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ से एक क्वेश्चन श्योर आपके एग्जाम में आने वाला है. नाउ द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट विल बी द रेजिस्टेंस इन ओम ऑफ बल्ब बी का रेजिस्टेंस पूछ रहा है, बल्ब ए का. B will be bulb A for the circuit given below. Means bulb A का resistance. What is the resistance of bulb A? For resistance we need to, why we are not applying directly here formula? Because the circuit is given, voltage is given, power is given. So we cannot apply because this is the voltage, source voltage across these two bulbs. But we need to find the individual resistance of bulb A. So we need to have the voltage value of bulb A and also voltage of bulb A. Then we are going to get the value of resistance. So what we have done here, see, total power is equal to Vt into I2 as we all know that P is equal to Vi. I have applied this formula only here. T represents total power, total voltage and total current. Total voltage is 20, total current we don't know, but total power is 100 plus 10. Okay dear friends, then IT we get. Now PA is equal to I square T into RA. क्योंकि हमको resistance, the question has asked about the resistance of bulb A. That's why we applied the formula here. And finally we'll get the value of RA, that is 3.33. Please observe here. This is very important question and again it will ask in your exams. Now the question number 5 is the law which is based on the conservation of energy. Kirchhoff's voltage law, very important concept. Kirchhoff's voltage law based on the conservation of energy. Okay students, we'll move to this point. Determine the value of current in I1 ampere. I1 हमको find करना है इस circuit में through the both the resistors of the given. Means I2 we need to find and I1 we need to find. Observe here, since parallel में voltage same रहता है, observe here, therefore 20 volt is here, will be here also, because there is no, in between there is no resistance, the voltage across this resistor is 20 volt, parallel, in parallel voltages are same, तो यहाँ से direct I1 निकल जाएगा V by 10 volt से I1 is equal to 2 ohm. Now I1 अगर 2 ohm है, then by applying KCL or KVL equation will get the value of I2. If you are knowing the basic concepts of KVL, you will do this formula easy. Now the same concepts we are applying in the 7th question, that is I1 and V1. I1, see, by applying KVL at node X, we'll get यहाँ से current entry. I have always taken the convention like this. Entry current I have represented by negative sign and exit current I have represented by positive sign. Entry current towards a node and exit current from the nodes I have represented by positive. यही convention आप लोग लेके चलिए, that will be fruitful for your network circuit problems. Now applying KCL at node X, we'll get the value of I1 is equal to 4 ampere. Okay, we will discuss the basic concepts of KVL and KCL in upcoming lectures of network theory. Okay dear friends, the value of this one is 32 volts. Now again maximum power theorem, इसके लिए भी आपको ये फॉर्मूला याद करना पड़ेगा and maximum power transfer theorem के लिए भी ये applicable होगा and the answer you will get is 34.72. Okay dear friends, now question number 9. The SI unit of magnetic field intensity is, this is ampere turns per meter. This is very important. This my gut feeling says this might comes in your exams. The SI unit of magnetic field intensity is ampere turns per meter and reluctance का होता है ampere turns per Weber. Okay dear friends, the relative permeability of the relative permeability of diamagnetic material. This is diamagnetic material. Okay dear friends, diamagnetic material is less than 1. What will be the instantaneous value of the AC which is given as this when the value of t is, just इसमें हमको t का value put कर देना है, we will get the instantaneous value. As we all know that sin 45 degree is equal to 21 by 2. Now in this in this 11 questions, concepts के आधार पर you will get 4 to 5 questions definitely you will get in your exams, SSC in exams, in upcoming exams. Okay dear friends, कुछ क्वेश्चन मैंने आपको फास्टली आपको एक्सप्लेन किया है, लाइक this one, like this maximum power transfer theorem. See, these are the special topics of SSC JEE exams of network theory. Please I am going to discuss about these topics in upcoming lectures or videos. Okay dear friends, students, please subscribe my channel and share the videos as much as you can, and please like the channel. See, for visual मैं आपको बोर्ड पर पढ़ाऊंगा कब, when I will get the 100,000 subscribers. Okay dear friends, then I will buy something, then I will do something for you all. Please students, please subscribe my channel. See, these are very important question. If you will also observe this question, these are the question which have comes in one way or the other in your SSC JEE exams. Please students, please subscribe my channel and please share the videos as much as you can with your friends. Please students, please subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. Okay dear friends, thank you, bye bye.